is really cute.
Megan, what do you have there?
You know, it doesn't get as cold there.
Yeah, she can wear a vest.
I don't wear a vest.
vest.
I just thought it was so cute.
That is really cute, huh, Meg? Do you love it? Say thank you, Mama and Papa. Say thank you.
Seriously, Cash.
My new friend.
What do you want to do with it? We're going to leave Dora on for now. Why don't we open more presents? We'll leave Dora on.
Look, Meg, there's more over here. Do you want to open up another one?
Thank you. I'm that one.
Alright.
I'm open.
Yeah, you don't really need me. You just do what you want.
Oh, Daddy, open.
You want me to help you? Oh, wow. What is that?
I'm color.
You're gonna color, huh?
Oh, there's more.
Hey, show me what you got, buddy.
She had the same laugh since she was little, because McKenna has the exact same laugh.
What do you have? Can you show Daddy?
So,
What is that?
this one
Emma,
might be this.
She's-
You're welcome.
Moving on.
Open.
Santa didn't get ribbons on those. He could have got to slow you down.
Yeah, well,
Here. Here, Rip. There you go.
wow. Turn it over.
Oh my
Turn it
goodness.
over.
What have you got?
Open.
Oh, look it. Who's that? Look at that. It's like Mommy's.
Whoa.
Use the magic. Shall we listen?
See, it's got this magic.
so much more color stuff now.
Use the magic wand. Or press a number.
You don't have great
Move
grocery
the
stores anymore. They had these ones we saw in Colorado.
Wow, buddy.
The kids could stand up in the back of it and they were strapped in.
Oh, like in the, yeah, I've seen those
And you,
before.
like they face you while you're driving them around and they stand up.
Isn't that cute?
And you're like, oh.
I think
Got
she's
a little
Magic
discs that go in there.
Press a number. Or move the computer mouse and then press enter.
Now you got a computer like Mommy.
1.
Oh.
Sorry. I don't
Should have
know.
got some